Hey, what's going on, everybody? So we're down here at the shop, and today's a good day. That 2019 Mustang GT, remember the one that was smoking and not running right? It needed a new motor. It broke a piston. It melted the catalytic converters. But that car now is all been put together, and today we're going to start it up for the first time. And we also got the old motor up on the engine stand, and we're going to pull it apart, and we're going to show you what happened to it. So let me take you inside. Let me show you what's going on. All right, everybody, so here's the Gen 3 Coyote that came out of the 19 Mustang. You've seen this engine or this car run. It was smoking real bad and making some clattering noises. We've got some scoring in cylinder number 3 right here, and we've got the motor here up on the engine stand, and we're going to tear it down. We're going to pull out at least this one piston or maybe some others, just to see what might have went wrong with this motor. All right, so here's a good look at the stock bottom end. All right, you can see all the stock main bolts and rod bolts here, and this is the culprit right here. This is the piston for cylinder number 3. I'm going to try to pull that out, maybe some of the other ones. And there she is. Let's take a look. Thanks, Joe. All right, guys, here's what we have. It looks almost identical to my engine. Let's get it in the sunlight. You guys see that? We have the second and third ring lands are broken just above the wrist pin. We still don't know why this is happening, guys, but this was the culprit. 2019 Mustang broke a piston. 2 ring lands just above the wrist pin in cylinder number 3. Okay, guys, so something that I missed, not just the ring lands there, but look at this. This piston's got a broken skirt, and look at all the stress that was on the skirt before it broke. I don't know. I mean, this thing really took a hammering. That's what it's supposed to look like. Look at that. That's crazy, man. Okay, so while we have the chance, we're going to take a look underneath the car. Here you can see we got the stock mufflers. This car does not have active exhaust, and most of this is stock back here. You can see at this point we got the stock resonator, but here's the fun stuff. We got the cat deletes and a set of Cooks long tubes. You can see right in here we got a BMR cross brace. There's another look. Cooks long tubes. Really nice install, guys. Real high quality parts. The owner of this car wants to keep it quiet, so for now we're going to leave the resonator in there. But you could also see here we got some BMR cradle lockouts. They're looking really good. This car is coming along nice. 5 Bar did a great job with the install. Let's drop this car down and start her up. All right, so there she is, 2019 Mustang. The new motor has been installed. The guys at 5 Bar are just going through underneath the hood to make sure everything's buttoned up, and we're going to start it up for the first time. All right, guys, here she is. The mechanics here at 5 Bar, they got the new engine installed. Everything's all buttoned up tight. They're just going through everything to make sure that no stone has been unturned. You can see right there, this one's stage 2 with the 3875 pulley. These guys did a great job with this install. Everything looks perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to charge up the battery a little bit because this car's been sitting here for a while. But these guys did a really nice job. This is one clean install.
Good.
Also, guys, I thought I'd make mention that this engine's getting broken in with the BR30 motor oil. Can't go wrong with this one. This thing is running super smooth, guys. Guys, this thing is awesome. Okay guys, it's getting late. We've been working on the car for a little while, just checking everything over. And I just want you guys to listen to see how smooth this thing runs. Well, there you have it, guys. Another cool build down here at 5 Bob Motorsports. That liver noise engine sounds awesome in that 19 Mustang. And how about that piston? That thing broke just the same way it did in my Whippled car. That second and third ringland just completely broke off. There's no telling why that happened. I have no idea. A lot of these guys that we know have Gen 3s. You know, they're putting a lot of boost in them and they're not having any problems. So I don't really have an explanation for that. But this build went really well, and the owner is really happy. But you haven't seen the end of this, guys, because right now we're driving off with the Whippled tune just to break the car in, and we're going to have it back for some dyno tuning and a dyno session to see what it really lays down. So stay tuned for that. And then beyond that, we're also going to see this car down at this drag strip. So there's still a lot more to come. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
I'm a simple man, don't want a complication.